Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Style, and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by double tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu. After the menu opens, you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of options and find the option called Settings. Once you find it, tap on it to enter. Now, scroll through the menu and find the option called The Time. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the time format. Tap on it. And now we can change between 12-hour and 24-hour format. Select the one you like, tap on it to select it, and once you're done, you can tap on the back button to go back to watch face, and the time format will change to the 12-hour or 24-hour format, depending on which one you chose. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also do this through the phone application. So I'm gonna bring the phone right here, move the watch to the side, zoom out the camera, like this. Okay. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once the app opens, we can tap on More, Garmin Devices. Here we can select our Vivomove Style. Then we can scroll down, tap on General, and here we have the time format option. Select the one you like. Once you select it, go back to the device page. It will say settings saved successfully, and the watch should sync with your phone. You can tell by this icon rotating. And once it's done syncing, it should apply the settings. And that's how you change the time format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.